Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a huge haul from Colourpop. I love buying Colourpop products because they are very affordable and they perform as well really well. मैंने आज तक Colourpop के जितने भी products try किए हैं वो सारे ही products बहुत अच्छे से काम किए हैं. So that's why I always look for new products from Colourpop. Like whenever I see a new product from Colourpop, I try to buy it because I'm always very excited to try new products from Colourpop, especially their eyeshadows. I love their eyeshadow palettes. Like I have like 5 or 6 or maybe more than that eyeshadow palettes from Colourpop, and in this haul as well I have 3 new eyeshadow palettes to show. So I have a lot of products to show you guys. By the way, I have purchased all these products directly from their website because they do ship to India, and if your order is more than $60, they'll provide free shipping. So that's why I always purchase directly from their website. So I placed like 2 or 3 orders for all these products, and एक ऑर्डर पे मुझे कस्टम पे करना पड़ा, बाकी सब ऑर्डर्स पे मुझे कोई भी कस्टम चार्जेस पे नहीं करने पड़े. बाय द वे, आई हैव डन अ डिटेल्ड रिव्यू ऑन हाउ टू buy products from Colourpop and shipping and customs and everything, so you can check out that video for more details. So now let's start with this haul, and without any further ado, let's start rolling. So the first product I have is this one. It's their primer. It's from their Pretty Fresh range. It's their hydrating hyaluronic primer. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. You get 30 ml of product in this primer. They have a separate range called Pretty Fresh range, and उसके अंदर काफ़ी सारे base products हैं. I've already have their foundation and concealer. I have shared a detailed review on the foundation on my channel already, and I'm currently wearing that foundation. And I'm wearing this primer as well. By the way, this is how it looks from inside. So this packaging is very similar to the foundation packaging, and it's a very hydrating primer. It's not a primer which will fill your pores or which will provide a matte finish to your skin. It's actually a hydrating primer, so it's a very good primer for dry skin people. Actually, it will be a very good primer for all skin types, but especially for dry skin people, it's a very good primer. It won't fill your pores, but it will provide a very good hydration. I'm wearing this primer only. Actually, I'm wearing most of the products which I'm going to show you in this video. Next, I have one more product from the same range, which is this one. This is their hydrating hyaluronic acid setting mist. This also comes in this packaging. It's the same packaging, and from inside also it looks same. So this is how it looks like. It's the same packaging. This is also a really beautiful product. It's a very fine mist. It's a setting mist, and you can see it has a very fine spray. बहुत ही अच्छा spray है actually, and it smells so nice. It has very nice coconutty smell to it. It feels very fresh and smells so nice. By the way, I don't remember the prices of all these products, so I'll flash the prices on the screen and I'll provide all the details in the description box. Next, I have one product from Soul Body, which is a sister brand of Colourpop, which is this one. This is their face and body bronzing balm. I have got this one in the shade medium dark. So this is how it looks from inside. You get this tub. You get a lot of product. So you get in this one 31 gram of product, and it looks so yummy from inside. This also I'm wearing. So you get this protective lid here, which you need to take off. And this is how it looks. This color is really good. I was actually not sure which shade should I buy, but I just guessed it and I went with this color medium dark. Actually बहुत सारे shades available थे भी नहीं, so I thought it will be a good shade, and I'm actually wearing this. This looks so beautiful on the face, and it was very easy to blend. Next, I have one more base product which I bought from Colourpop this time, which is their powder. It's their No Filter Setting Loose Powder. I own other base products now from Colourpop, but I didn't have any powder, so this time I bought this. This is a loose powder, and this one is in the shade Translucent. So this is how it looks from inside. You get this tub. The shade is translucent, but it has a very nice little bit of yellow undertones to it. So it looks so beautiful. It doesn't look that white kind of powder. It looks beautiful on the face. Next I have few palettes to show you, and the first palette which I'm going to show you is the most beautiful colorful eyeshadow palette I have ever seen, which is this one. This is their Fade into Hue pressed powder palette. So this is the palette. This is actually their new launch. They launched this during Black Friday. Actually, most of the products which I'm showing you, I bought during Black Friday sale only, but it took a lot of time for those products to reach me. Generally जो Colourpop के orders रहते हैं ना, वो 15-20 days में पहुँच जाते हैं इंडिया. But I placed 2 orders during Black Friday sale and it took a lot of time. Like it took more than 45 days or 2 months to reach India. So that's why I'm sharing this haul now with you, which is very late. But I got this product sometime back only. So let me show you how this palette looks from inside. It's a big palette. It's a 30 pan palette, and this is how it looks from inside. And this is the palette. Look at this palette, guys. It looks so pretty. You can see. I love this shade. I love the placement of the colors, and बहुत ही beautiful eyeshadow palette है. I can't wait to try this palette. मैंने अभी तक इस palette को use नहीं किया है. I'm actually planning on creating different colorful looks using this palette. You'll find those looks on my Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, go follow me. I'll provide my ID on the screen and in the description box. So go follow me because I'm going to upload reels maybe with the looks, but I am very excited to try this eyeshadow palette. This is a very beautiful palette. I was actually looking for a colorful palette from Colourpop. Like they have colorful palettes, but they have like those 9 pan palettes जिसमें जैसे कि उनकी जो थीम रहती है ना वो अलग रहती है, like orange theme and pink, purple, all different kind of themes. But I wanted one palette with all the colors, and they finally launched this one. As I told you, they launched during Black Friday. So मैंने already एक order place कर दिया था Black Friday sale पे. So basically I purchased all these products during sale only. I never purchased anything on the actual price. I always place my order whenever there is a sale. So there was 30% off going on during Black Friday. उस टाइम पे मैंने अपना first order place किया था, but तब तक ये launch नहीं हुआ था. And then later they launched this palette during Black Friday only, and that time I got this palette, and I'm very happy and so excited to get this palette. Can't wait to try and create so many colorful looks using this palette. Now the next palette is this one. This is their Menage a Moi pressed powder palette. Actually wearing this palette only on my eyes. So it's a very pretty palette. The outer packaging is so pretty, and this looks same from inside as well. So this is how it looks. So it's a very pretty palette. It's a very pretty mauve palette, and the shades are also so pretty. So it's a 12 pan palette. You get these 12 beautiful shades and this full size mirror as well. You generally don't get mirror with Colourpop eyeshadows. मतलब कुछ palettes में ही आपको mirror मिलेगा. Like in this one, this big palette also there is no mirror. But in this one you get a full size mirror. The quality of the mirror is really good, and the shades also are so pretty, and they perform really well. So this was the next palette. And third palette which I got is this one. This is their Sailor Moon Pretty Guardian palette. So this one is from their Sailor Moon collection. Actually I didn't place the order for this palette. I placed order for some other palette which was on discount, 50% discount, their garden variety palette. I placed order for that one, but they accidentally sent this one. So I actually wrote to their customer care and told them that I got a different palette than what I ordered, and they were so nice to give me a coupon in exchange for that palette, and they didn't charge anything for this. Like they didn't ask me to return it or anything. They just gave me a coupon of value same as the value of that palette, which I actually paid. Like I think I paid $15 or something, and I got a coupon of $15 which I can use on my next order. So that was a very good thing from Colourpop. Because it was their mistake that they sent wrong palette, but still they handled this issue really well. So I really appreciate Colourpop for that. So let's see how it looks from inside. I was not actually planning on buying this palette, but I finally got it, and it's so pretty palette. You can see I really like the outer packaging. You can see there is a shift to it, and look at this palette from inside. It's such a pretty palette, so beautiful. The overall palette काफ़ी ज़्यादा attractive और pretty लगता है. I have not used this palette as well. मतलब अभी तक कोई look मैंने create नहीं किया है इसको use करके. So I'm definitely going to try this palette in my future videos. So if you don't want to miss out on any videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Next I have few blushes to show you. Actually I purchased one blush in my previous order and I really liked that blush, so that's why I purchased few more this time because I wanted to try some other shades. So the very first one is this one. This one is in the shade Love Story. This actually is from the same range. Yeah, these two are from the same range. I don't know the name of the range, but this is from the same range because the packaging is same. So this is how it looks from outside. Again, very beautiful packaging. This is how it looks from inside. It's a very pretty blush. It's a very pretty coral blush, and you get a mirror as well with this. So let me give you a quick swatch. It's a very pretty, it's very nice nude corally blush. It has little bit of shimmers to it. I have not used it on my face, but it looks so pretty in the pan. Because of this coral shade only I bought this, because I really love blushes with coral shades. So I wanted to try one from Colourpop, so I got this one. So you get 6 grams of product in this blush. Next blush I have is this one. Again, they're pressed powder blush, and this one is in the shade Vogue. So it comes in this packaging. Again, this is from the separate range. So Colourpop keep on launching different ranges. So generally वो हर एक range में blushes and lipsticks and these kind of things they launch. So these are from different ranges. This is how it looks from inside. Again, a very beautiful packaging and a very beautiful blush. It's a very nice mauve shade. This also comes with this mirror. I'm actually wearing this blush only on my face, and can you see the print? This flower print looks so beautiful. So this is the shade Vogue, and this one is Love Story. बहुत ही pretty shade है, and it looks so beautiful on the face as well. This one is a matte blush, so there are no shimmer particles in this one. It's a total matte blush. Now the next product I have is this one. This is their lip and cheek duo. So in this one you get one blush and one lip oil, which is like a lip gloss. So this is the one. This one is in the shade Herb Appeal. There are many other shades as well. So let me show you. So this is how the blush looks like. It comes in this pastel green packaging, and the shade is Whole 9 Yard. Again, a very beautiful packaging and a full size mirror here. So ये जो packaging है वो plastic packaging है. बाकी जो blushes की packaging थी वो cardboard packaging थी. Again, a very pretty coral pink blush. बहुत ही pretty shade है. This also is not a matte blush. It has little bit of shimmers to it, but I don't mind that. I actually like little bit of shimmer in my blushes. Generally people don't like, they like matte blushes, but I like all kind of blushes. मुझे सारे blushes बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this one. The second product in this duo is this lip oil, and this one is in the shade Local Time. So this is how it looks. इससे पहले मैंने Colourpop का कोई भी lip oil try नहीं किया है. This is the first time I got, because I wanted to use their lip oils. I don't think you can see much. Let's actually apply this. So it has some kind of fragrance to it. You can see, this is how it looks. It's not very sticky, and it has little bit of shimmer to it, but those shimmers are not visible on the lips. I feel somehow it has little bit of tingling effect, not much, बहुत थोड़ा सा tingling effect लग रहा है, but yeah, it's a transparent gloss kind of thing. Now the last product I have is this one. This is a set of their lip liners. So it's like the little box of lippy pencils. You get 10 lip liners in this set. Actually Colourpop now frequently इस तरह के set launch करता रहता है, like set of their lipsticks, set of their lip glosses and eyeshadows and everything. And इस तरह के जो set रहते हैं ना वो काफ़ी cost effective होते हैं, because अगर आप individually purchase करने जाओगे तो काफ़ी expensive पड़ेगा, but if you go with this kind of set it will be less costly and आपको काफ़ी सारे products एक साथ मिल जाएंगे. Like nowadays I'm trying new lip liners. Earlier मैं lip liners इतने ज़्यादा use नहीं करती थी, but अभी recently I started using lip liners. I'm developing a love for lip liners. So मैंने अभी काफ़ी different brands के lip liners try किए हैं, and then I saw this set, so I thought it will be a good buy. बिकॉज लिप लाइनर्स तो आपको काफ़ी सारे चाहिए होते हैं अलग अलग कलर के, एंड इसके अंदर काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल शेड्स हैं, लाइक न्यूड शेड्स, डार्क शेड्स, सब तरह के शेड्स हैं. And I think it's a really pretty set. I'll insert the swatches of all these lip liners here, so you can see the swatches here, but I think it's a good buy. And these lip liners are very creamy and the pigmentation is also very good. So yeah, that was the last product, and that's all for today's video. Those were the products I purchased this time from Colourpop. And as I already told you, I never buy anything on its original price. I always look for discounts. So Colourpop पे ना काफ़ी discounts चलते ही रहते हैं, and I bought this when there was 30% discount during Black Friday. Black Friday पे ही 30% discount आता है. Generally आपको 20%, 25% discount easily मिल जाएगा, and sometimes you get 50% discounts as well on few things. Like recently they were running 50% discounts on their hydrating mist, this Pretty Fresh hydrating mist. So always look for discounts. You can get these products at a very good price, and if you don't want to pay anything for shipping, make sure your order value is $60. Also try to keep your order around $60 only. Don't place an order for a large value, because अगर आपका order $60 के around है तो based on my experience I can tell you that you might not to pay any custom charges, because मैंने कोई custom charges नहीं pay किए mostly on these orders. I only paid custom charges once. That too because जो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू थी मेरे ऑर्डर की वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी, बट डिस्काउंटेड वैल्यू कम थी, स्टिल ओरिजिनल वैल्यू ज़्यादा थी, तो दे चार्ज कस्टम ऑन ओरिजिनल वैल्यू. तो उस टाइम मुझे एक बार कस्टम चार्जेस पे करने पड़े हैं, बट अदरवाइज मुझे कोई भी कस्टम चार्जेस पे नहीं करने पड़े थे. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू मेक योर ऑर्डर around $60. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you want me to share detailed review on any of these products. कुछ products पे तो मैंने review किया हुआ है, but अगर आप किसी और product पे मेरा review जानना चाहते हैं, detailed review, so please let me know in the comment box. I'll be very happy to do that. And also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.